Have you ever thought about working in Germany? Well, the Germany Job Seeker Visa might just be your gateway. Established in August 2012, this long-stay visa is part of Germany's dynamic immigration initiatives crafted to lure qualified experts from all corners of the globe. Its primary purpose? To encourage individuals like you to attend interviews and search for jobs in the heart of Europe. But there's a catch. While this visa lets you enter Germany, actively seek employment, and establish residence, it doesn't permit you to work just yet. That comes later once you've found a job. So in essence, this visa is your ticket to explore the vast job market of Germany and find a position that best fits your expertise and career aspirations. Sounds promising, right? But what does it take to get this visa? Let's dive into it. To be eligible for the Germany Job Seeker Visa, you need to meet certain key requirements. First, you must have completed a training course or a study program in Germany. If you haven't studied in Germany, don't worry. You can still qualify if you possess a degree that is recognized in Germany or one that is equivalent to a German degree. Next, your professional or academic experience comes into play. You need to have at least 5 years of relevant experience under your belt. And remember, it's not just about having the right qualifications and experience. You also need to demonstrate that you have adequate financial resources to cover your living expenses while you're in Germany. Lastly, you must have completed vocational training and show proficiency in the German language. This goes a long way in ensuring you can communicate effectively in your job search. Meeting these requirements is just the first step. Now let's talk about the documents you need to prepare. Applying for the Germany Job Seeker Visa requires meticulous preparation of several documents. First and foremost, a filled out and signed online visa application form is a must. Next, you'll need a valid passport that meets certain criteria, along with an A4 size copy of it. Don't forget your passport pictures, which should adhere to the specific guidelines of the German embassy or consulate. Your academic qualifications are crucial, so evidence from a German university or an equivalent is needed. If your degree is an equivalent, you'll need to show proof of recognition and meet additional requirements. Your professional experience, including a CV and achievements, needs to be well documented. A comprehensive cover letter outlining your employment plans and career aspirations is equally important. Also, prepare proof of temporary accommodation and sufficient financial means. Lastly, don't overlook travel insurance that meets the minimum requirements, with additional coverage for post-entry health insurance. With these preparations, you're all set to embark on your journey to seek employment opportunities in Germany. Good luck! In this segment, we delve into the application process for the Job Seeker Visa. First, you'll need to fill out and sign the visa application form. Make sure to double-check all the information for accuracy. Next, you'll need your international passport. It should have been issued within the last 10 years, have at least 2 blank pages, and be valid for at least 6 months beyond your departure date from Germany. Along with the original, provide an A4 size copy of your passport. Your passport pictures should strictly follow the guidelines set by the German embassy or consulate. Also, provide evidence of your academic qualifications. If your degree isn't equivalent to a German degree, ensure you have proof of recognition before applying. As for your professional experience, submit all relevant documentation, including your CV and a list of professional achievements. A comprehensive cover letter is also required, detailing your plans to find employment in Germany, your future career plans, and contingency plans if the job search is unsuccessful. You'll also need to prepare proof of temporary accommodation in Germany, along with evidence that you have sufficient financial resources to support your stay while you look for a job. Don't forget to provide proof of travel insurance with a minimum coverage of EUR 30,000 for medical expenses. Lastly, ensure you have all relevant civil status documents such as your marriage certificate, birth certificate, and others as applicable. Once you've gathered and prepared all these documents, you're ready to submit your application for the Germany Job Seeker Visa. Remember, preparation is key to a successful application. We wish you the best of luck in your journey to seek employment in Germany. And that's the conclusion of our step-by-step guide on how to apply for the Germany Job Seeker Visa. This visa is a unique opportunity for you to seek out job prospects in Germany and potentially set up your residence there. But it's important to keep in mind that this visa is meant for job seeking, not directly employment. The pivotal factors to never forget include having a recognized degree, at least 5 years of work experience, and enough financial resources. As we close, remember that meticulous preparation can make the difference in your application. Here's to your successful job hunt in Germany. Before we wrap things up, it's important to note some exceptions to the Germany job seeker visa. If you are a citizen of EU/EEA countries, Australia, Canada, Israel, Japan, Korea, or New Zealand, you are not required to apply for a job seeker visa. However, upon your arrival in Berlin, you must directly apply for a temporary residence permit at the immigration office. On the other hand, if you're a national of any other country, you need to obtain a job seeker visa before entering Germany to commence your job search. This distinction is critical, so ensure that you understand the requirements specific to your nationality. And remember, no matter your country of origin, the goal remains the same: to secure a job in Germany and potentially make it your new home. Stick to the guidelines, put in the effort, and success could be just around the corner. In our next video, we'll be discussing German work culture and how to prepare for job interviews in Germany. Stay tuned. Now that we've covered the specific considerations for certain countries, let's dive into the general eligibility criteria for the Germany job seeker visa. To qualify for this visa, applicants must meet several key requirements. Firstly, you must hold a bachelor's or master's degree from a German university or an equivalent foreign degree. This ensures you have the necessary academic background for the job market in Germany. Secondly, you should have a minimum of 5 years of experience in your field of interest or study. This is to prove your competence and skill set in your chosen career path. Thirdly, you must have proof of travel or medical insurance for your entire stay in Germany, or until you obtain a work permit. This is a crucial requirement to ensure your safety and well-being during your job search in Germany. Fourthly, you need to show evidence of sufficient funds to cover your stay in Germany. This is to confirm that you can support yourself financially while you're looking for a job. Lastly, while it's not a strict requirement, proficiency in the German language is highly recommended. Although English proficiency is enough for visa qualification, having at least basic German language skills can give you a huge advantage, especially when it comes to integrating into German society and the workplace. Remember, these are the general requirements. Always check the specific requirements for your country of origin. If you meet all of these criteria, you're one step closer to your dream job in Germany. In the next scene, we'll wrap up with some concluding thoughts. Stay tuned. In this scene, we will guide you through the detailed steps for the Germany job seeker visa application. The application process for a German job seeker visa closely resembles that of other German visas. Step 1. Complete the German job seeker visa application form. This is the initial step where you provide your basic details, background, and purpose of visit. Step 2. Schedule an appointment. You will need to book an appointment with the German embassy or consulate in your home country. This can usually be done online. Step 3. Gather the required documents. Make sure to prepare all the necessary documents we mentioned earlier. These include your passport, proof of qualification, work experience, health insurance, and proof of financial stability, among others. Step 4. Attend the visa interview. This is a crucial step where you will be asked about your plans in Germany, your qualifications, and other relevant questions. Remember to be honest and clear with your answers. Step 5. Pay the applicable fees. After the interview, you will need to pay the visa application fee. The fee may vary depending on your country, so make sure to check the current rates. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to securing your Germany job seeker visa. Remember, the process can be daunting, but with careful preparation and attention to detail, you can navigate it successfully. In the next scene, we'll wrap up with some concluding thoughts. Stay tuned. In this scene, we will highlight the top in-demand IT skills in Germany, which could increase your chances of securing a job with your job seeker visa. As the digital age continues to evolve, so does the demand for specific IT skills. If you're an IT professional considering Germany, here are the skills currently in high demand and those projected to be sought after by 2024. 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies have become indispensable in many sectors, from automation to data analysis. 1. Cybersecurity. With the rise of digital threats, cybersecurity experts are needed more than ever. 1. Data visualization. This skill is crucial for interpreting complex data and making it accessible to all. 1. Digital marketing. As businesses strive to reach a wider audience online, digital marketing skills are highly sought after. 1. User experience. Design. Companies value professionals who can create user-friendly digital platforms. 1. Software development. This is a staple skill in the IT world with a constant demand for software developers. 1. Data analysis. Businesses need data analysts to make sense of the vast amounts of data they collect. 1. Cloud computing. With many businesses moving to the cloud, skills in this area are in high demand. 1. Blockchain technology, a growing field with potential for disruption in various industries. 1. Low-code/no-code programming. This skill allows for faster, more efficient software development. 1. Social media management and content creation, essential for businesses looking to engage customers and build their brand online. 1. Design and visual skills. These are crucial in creating engaging digital content. 1. Robotics and automation. As industries automate processes, skills in this area are increasingly important. 1. Augmented and virtual reality. These emerging technologies are creating new opportunities in various sectors. By enhancing your skill set in these areas, you could significantly boost your chances of securing a job in Germany. In the next scene, we will wrap up with some concluding thoughts. Stay tuned. In this scene, we delve into the most sought-after engineering and science skills in Germany. Just as we've seen a surge in demand for IT skills, the engineering and sciences fields are experiencing a similar trend. If you're a professional in these areas, here are the roles and skills that could put you in a favorable position when job hunting in Germany. 1. Full-stack engineer developer. These professionals are in high demand due to their ability to work on both the front and back ends of web development. 2. Front-end engineer developer. With the rise of digital platforms, companies need experts who can create engaging, user-friendly interfaces. 3. Software developer. This role remains a staple in the tech industry, with a constant demand for professionals skilled in various programming languages. 1. Cybersecurity analyst and cybersecurity specialist. As digital threats increase, so does the need for experts in cybersecurity. 2. Construction and civil engineers. Infrastructure projects in Germany are abundant, leading to a high demand for these professionals. 3. Android and Java developers. With the proliferation of Android devices, these skills are highly sought after. 1. DevOps SRE. These roles are critical in ensuring efficient software development and deployment. 2. SQL, Tableau, Python, programming language. These are key tools in data analysis, a field that continues to grow in importance. 3. Scrum Master. As agile methodologies become more common, Scrum Masters are needed to guide teams and ensure efficient project management. 4. Design engineer and mechanical design engineer. These professionals are crucial in the design and development of machinery and systems. By honing these skills, you can increase your chances of finding a job in Germany. In the next scene, we will wrap up with some concluding thoughts. Stay tuned. In this scene, we're going to shift our focus towards the healthcare sector. Healthcare is an ever-evolving field, and Germany is no exception. Here are some of the healthcare skills that are predicted to be in high demand in Germany in 2024. 1. Nursing. This profession will continue to be in high demand due to an aging population. Nurses who specialize in geriatrics will be particularly sought after. 1. Midwifery. With a steady birth rate, midwives will continue to be needed in Germany. 1. Pharmacy. Pharmacists are crucial to the healthcare system, and their expertise in medications and patient counseling is highly valued. 1. Dentistry. Oral health is a key aspect of overall health, and dentists play an important role in maintaining this. 1. Physiotherapy. As the population ages, the need for physiotherapists to help with rehabilitation and mobility issues will increase. 1. Occupational therapy. These professionals help people overcome physical and mental health issues to live independently and productively. 2. Speech therapy. Speech therapists will be in demand to assist both children with developmental delays and adults recovering from strokes or other conditions. 3. Radiography. The field of radiography continues to evolve with technological advancements, creating a demand for skilled professionals. 4. Laboratory technology. Lab technicians play a crucial role in diagnosis and treatment, making this a sought-after skill. 5. Medical engineering. This involves the application of engineering principles to medicine and healthcare, a field that's expected to grow with technological advancements. 6. Public health. Professionals in this field will be needed to tackle public health challenges and promote health and well-being at the population level. 7. Health economics. With healthcare costs rising, there's a growing need for professionals who can analyze and optimize healthcare spending. 8. Health informatics. This combines healthcare, information technology, and management systems. As healthcare becomes more digitized, this skill will be in high demand. So if you're a healthcare professional looking to move to Germany, these are some areas where your expertise could be highly valued. Stay tuned for more insights in our next scene. In this scene, we will be discussing the top recruitment agencies that could assist you in your job-seeking journey in Germany. These agencies specialize in various sectors and can help you land a job that suits your skill set. Here are some of the most reliable agencies. 1. Approach People Recruitment, known for their international recruitment in various sectors. 2. Euro London Appointments, specializes in multilingual recruitment. 3. Antal International, a global executive recruitment organization with 130-plus offices in more than 30 countries. 1. IRC, an international recruitment agency with a strong presence in Germany. 2. Kelly, provides comprehensive workforce solutions and a broad service offering in various professional disciplines. 1. Connect Jobs, specializes in IT, engineering, and healthcare recruiting. 2. Jack Recruitment, a specialist recruitment agency that is part of the Jack Global Network. 1. Stanton Chase, one of the leading global executive search firms. 2. Adaptive Business Group, a global niche recruitment firm specializing in high-growth markets. 1. AMROP, a trusted advisor in executive search, leadership assessment, and board consulting. 2. Avamind, specializing in helping graduates and young professionals to find their dream jobs. 1. CASA Global Recruitment, digital recruitment specialists. 2. COGS, specializes in the digital and tech market. 1. Contacts and Management, a German recruitment agency with a strong focus on executive search. 2. Designer Doc, a recruitment agency specializing in the creative and communications industry. 1. Job Nexus, helps job seekers reach many recruitment agencies at once and find a job faster. 2. Robert Half, known for their specialized staffing services. 1. Robert Walters, a world-leading specialist professional recruitment consultancy. The website links for these recruitment agencies are in the description below. Make sure to check them out if you're planning to apply for a job in Germany. Stay tuned for more insights in our next scene. In this scene, we want to take a moment to express our gratitude. We truly appreciate our returning subscribers who have been with us on this journey. Your support has been invaluable. And for those who are yet to join our community, please hit that subscribe button, like our videos, share them with your friends, and don't forget to leave us a comment. We love hearing from all of you. Also, make sure to click on the notification bell. This way you won't miss out on any of our videos, including important updates like this one about job seeking in Germany. We are committed to providing you with the most accurate and up-to-date information to help you in your career journey. So stay tuned for more insights in our upcoming scenes.